Ilara discovered her strange ability one rainy afternoon. A spilled cup of tea on her favorite book prompted a surge of frustration, and suddenly the tea flew back into the cup. Confused, she experimented, rewinding the moment when her cat knocked over a vase. Each rewind was like a smooth, seamless animation, the world flowing backwards around her. Ilara started using her ability for small conveniences, fixing minor mistakes, and avoiding awkward encounters. But she grew bolder, deciding to use her power to change larger events. She rewound a day when her friend had a terrible argument, changing the conversation to a better one. But the next day, things were different. Not better, just different. The change had created a ripple, altering other relationships and events. She tried to fix those changes, rewinding and tweaking, but each adjustment led to new unexpected consequences. Ilara realized that her ability, while powerful, was not a solution to the complexities of life. She learned that every choice, every moment, no matter how small, creates the fabric of reality. She decided to stop rewinding. Instead, she started to accept the flow of time, focusing on making the most of each moment as it came. Life is not a script that can be rewritten, she understood, but a story to be lived fully, with all its imperfections.